Unlock your potential today at skillbakery.com.
Welcome to another exciting video. In this one, we'll be learning how we can make use of the question mark operator in our main function. So here, what we'll be doing is, we'll be tweaking our total cost method and we'll be writing it a bit differently. Let's go ahead and explore it. So the first thing that we will be doing over here in our main method is that we'll be creating a variable. Let's call it as connects. And after that, we'll be creating a pretend in the user input, which will just have a predefined value 8, which will be passing to our total cost method. And here, we'll check whether the cost is greater than connects. If that's true, then we'll be simply printing you can't afford that many. Otherwise, we'll be subtracting the connects from the cost, and then we'll simply print this message: you now have the remaining connects with you. So that's done, and after that we'll be calling this OK method. Now this is looking a bit different, and now if I go ahead, save this and run the project over here, cargo run, let's see what happens. So here we're getting some errors, and if I scroll up, it says a couple of things over here, that we have binary operation greater than cannot be applied to type result I32 parse int error. So that's one, and it also has this cannot subtract a sign for this return type. And if you go over here, it says no implementation for integer minus equal to. So here it's giving us some help or hints as well. The trait sub assign is not implemented for integer, and the following other types implement sub assign. After that, you get this mismatch types, and finally you're getting this expected a unit to be returned from the main method, because we are returning OK over here. And finally you see this error message which says expected unit found result this. So expected unit type is there and found result this. So what you need to do is, first is that you change this return type of the main method. So the return type of the main method can easily be changed. Now over here, as expected, we will be updating it. So the main method will now return this result, and here you will notice it has this unit. So if things are fine, then it's returning the OK. Otherwise, it should be terminating by throwing the parse int error. So how this is going to throw the parse int error, because over here we have not used any question mark at all. Turns out, if I go ahead and make use of the question mark over here in the total cost method, where we are calling it at line 45, see, then the compiler will automatically know from where the question mark has been called, and accordingly it will return the result. So here, if I now go ahead and let's clear the screen and run cargo run, you'll notice that we are now getting this: you have 59 connects available. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.